Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Harshita from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In this video, let us discuss about Goto statement in C programming. Introduction of Goto statement. Goto statement is a form of jump statement. It is used to jump from one block to another block during execution. It is often used termed as an unconditional jump statement. A Goto statement in C programming provides an unconditional jump from the Goto to a label statement in the same function. The Goto statement can either be used to skip over certain codes or repeat a block of code by jumping back to the previously labeled block. Goto statement is widely considered as a controversial statement because it can make a code order and read and maintain. And the next is the syntax of Goto statement in C. The syntax of Goto statement in C can be broken into two parts. The first is defining the label. The label name is used to give a name to a block of code. Hence, it acts as an identifier for the block. When a goto statement is encountered, the program execution control goes to the label name and specifies that the code will be executed from there. We need to use colon after the label name. Here is the label name and these are the sentences and this is the defined label name. And the next is transforming the execution control. Go to label name. The above statement jumps the execution control of the program to the line where the label name is used. We can combine the transforming the execution control into two different ways. First style, transforming the control from the down to top. Here the label name is defined in the down, so the statements jumps to the execution control of the program to the line where the label name is used. So it is termed as transforming the control from down to top. And the next is transforming the control from the top to down. Here in this, the label name is defined at the top, so the statements jumps to the execution control of the program line where the label name is used. So it is termed as transforming the control from the top to the down. And the next is flow diagram of Goto statement in C program. Forward jump. In this case, the label has been defined below the Goto statement. Hence, the statement between the Goto statement and the label declaration are skipped. Here we can see go to label 1. The label 1 is the label name we have defined. So the execution control jumps to the line where the label name is defined. That is label 1. So the statements above the label name, that is statement 1 and statement 2 are skipped, and as usual this statement 3 and statement 4 are executed. And the next is the forward jump. On the other hand, the label can also be declared before the goto statement. In this case, no statement is skipped. Instead, the statements between the goto statement and the label declaration are repeated. Here, the label name as defined above the statement. So the statement 1 and statement 2 are repeated. As usual, the statement 3 and statement 4 are executed and gets the output. And the next, let us discuss some of the example to understand go to statement. Example, program to find the square root of the positive number. Hash include stdoi.h, hash include mat.h. Here we use int minor. First, we have to initialize the variable value whose square root is to be found. Here, int n is equal to -4. The condition is if n is less than 0, Go to negative number. Here the label defined is as a negative number. So the execution control jumps to the line where the label name is defined, that is negative number. So these lines are skipped. These statements, these above statements are skipped and prints negative number enter. As we know that here n is equal to -4, n is -4 is less than 0. So the output we get is negative number enter. And another example is program to print numbers using goto statement. We use hash include stdio.h int main. We initialize the variable values for start and end. That is, int start is equal to 1, comma end is equal to 10. Int cur is equal to start. Here we are defining the label name, that is print line. Print f percentage d ampersand cur. If cur is less than n, then the cur is increments by 1. Go to print line. Here we use the go to repeat the execution. Um, First, int cur is equal to start. So it starts from 1 and later it increments by 1. So 2. It so on it prints like this and outputs as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here is another example to find the cell division of two numbers. We use hash include stdio.h int mine. Here we are initializing a variable value. Int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. Int answer is equal to a by b. If a percentage b is equal to 0, go to print. Here we are defining the label name as a print line. Answer plus equal to 1, print line, print f, percentage d, answer, return 0. Here, let's see how this program works. Int answer is equal to a by b. If 5 by 2 gives 2.5, here we taken int, so we have to take only 2. If this line will be skipped and it comes to this, and answer plus 1 means 2 plus 1 gives a 3. And the next is advantages of go-to statement. The go-to statement can be useful in certain situations such as breaking out of a nested loops. It can simplify control flow in some cases, especially when dealing with error handling or cleanup code. The go-to statement can be used to implement finite state mechanics or jump tables efficiently. Disadvantage of a go-to statement. The use of Goto can make code harder to read and understand, leading to the maintainability issue. The misuse of Goto can result in logical errors and make code harder to test and reason about. Finally, I conclude that go-to statement can consider the jumping statement which makes the program flow in the desired manner, leading to the expected outcome. Depending on the program size and complexity, it depends on whether it is going to execute there with an advantage or lead to its limitation. It was introduced in the C language to make the program transfer its control wherever it has to be developed an efficient operating system. But later on, it was identified that the extensive usage of this statement was causing complications in the program. Thank you for watching this video.